Hey everyone!
Hey!
So tonight we are making some homemade laundry detergent and we are using the Feld Naptha. Alright, through trial and error we found that using borax and then the soap and then the borax again helps the blades to turn and not get stuck.
Alright. Okay. Show them how it works. Good job, Caitlin.
Thanks. Alright, we are back.
So every time we did the soap and the borax in the blender, we would dump it into here. They say a trash bag mixture is the easiest way to mix it up in the end. So that's what we're doing. 2 cups of this. Of baking soda. It sure is smelling good. Whew. You're good. Want me to help you? Is it getting heavy?
Mm-hmm.
So if you just kind of take this cardboard and you just kind of, I don't know, I'm just like squeezing it a little bit. Squeeze and shake. And I'm sure it doesn't have to be exactly 2 cups on the dough.
That's 2 cups.
All right. There we go.
So just pour it in?
Mm-hmm. Now we've used a lot of this box, about that much of it already, just with the mixing the soap and all. All right, you'll pour the rest of the box in here. All right. Now wash the soda.
All of it?
The whole box.
That's huge.
I don't want a ton of powder everywhere. Let's try to keep it in this box. It is going to be a lot. That's what I'm saying. It may have been expensive to get everything, but by the time you mix it all up,
nothing got out.
Oh, I know. Let's see. Here you go.
All of it?
Yep. And you don't even have to have this. That's just a laundry booster.
Ooh, that stuff is strong, but it smells so good.
Yes or no?
Yes, we're gonna.
Okay. This scent
All of
booster
it?
is optional. Yes, all of it.
Ooh, let's see.
Alrighty. And last but not least, what I have the phone propped up against, let's swap that out.
So all that too?
There we go.
That's a lot.
It
Ooh, that's
is.
heavy.
Alright, now this is the thing of
Should I
Oxi
use
Clean.
the scooper?
Nah, you can just do it, but just don't do it too fast, because I don't want a dust storm of cloud of Oxi Clean up our noses. There you go. Good job. We have managed to not even make a mess, Caitlin.
And now don't drop it. That'll be
Good job. All right, let's see. Now, what they did, they tied it up.
You shook it?
Well, yeah, but you can't, I don't want to risk it.
Fine.
Yeah, actually, I think they double bagged it. I haven't double bagged this one. I probably need to do that. Let me do that. I guess if one busts, surely this one would, the second one would.
It takes me forever to find the thingy on those.
Oh yeah, one end is always kind of folded over a little bit. All right, Caitlin, you want to try to lift the bag? You can do it. Come on. You got this. That's heavy, isn't it? All right, let's see.
There you go.
All right, I can probably move this. I had to put it there so my little cut board didn't move. All right. Then you just mix it up. You want to do it?
I'm good.
You're good?
Oh wow, you're really mixing it.
Oh yeah, you gotta have it pretty and mixed up. So whenever you scoop it, you're not getting a whole scoop of like scent booster and no soap. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. So we're gonna keep mixing. We'll come back. All right, we're back with our big old jar. This is what we're gonna pour it in. You can't even see Caitlin.
It looks like it's just. Looks like sand.
Mm-hmm. Reminds me of like when they're at the weddings that they add the sands into the jars.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it's reminding me of.
It smells good.
It does smell delicious.
Delicious.
Well, I ain't gonna eat it, but it's gonna smell real good washing my clothes.
All right, it's you.
Oh, it's perfect. You're putting your hand in all the soap.
Oh, it's still in it.
Let's see. Come here, Caitlin.
Hold on, it's this.
All right. So here we go. And how much is one laundry basket? One laundry load, excuse me.
I don't know.
You don't remember what I tell you? Okay, well then read the very
2
last
cups?
thing.
No, one load. Yeah, one load. No? Is it a one? This is the
What
load.
does it say before that, sweetie?
Oh, 2 tablespoons. I'm sorry.
Per load.
That's what I meant.
2 tablespoons per load. Don't you like my little cheat sheet here where I wrote it all down so we didn't forget? So that's all that it's going to take. It's 2 little tablespoons. I can't talk either, Caitlin, to get the laundry done. So we'll let you know if we like it.